All right, bring the ramp over here. Unlatching the gate now. All right, clear the area. Drop the ramps on 3. 1, 2.
Ramps away. Securing chains now.
Yes, these specimens are excellent. Easy now, big boy. Take your time. We're almost down.
Move along now. Easy.
Keep them moving. Keep the pace steady.
Gate closing now.
Clear. Sending the next 3.
Horns are clear and healthy. Easy now.
Very calm today. All right, team, let's move along. The intake on lot 7 seems low.
Okay. Yeah, let's increase their protein supplement starting tomorrow.
Just a little further, buddy. Right this way. Easy now.
Check complete. Everything looks good to go.
All right, powering up the scanner.
Focusing on the taper near the base. We need absolute precision for the luxury handle batch. Ensure the taper is consistent on the next batch.
Look at that finish. Absolutely flawless work, team.
The grain here is exceptional. A beautiful pull-up effect. Checking the temper now.
Temperature holding steady at 150. Pressure levels are optimal. The pliability looks good.
That meets the spec.
Batch is flawless, ready for the pallet.
Agreed. Keep the pace steady. Did you secure the brass fitting on that one? Yes, passing it along now. Keep the pace steady. We have 300 by noon. We are on track. leather finish is flawless. Another excellent run. Absolutely perfect.
The culmination of a journey. Mega MFG. Box 305. Handle with care.
Confirmed. Sending it through now. Tape applied firmly, seal checked. Ready for the manifest.
The finished goods label is secured.
Looks perfect. Ready for shipment.
Great work, team.
Scan the barcode to register the pallet. Then tap the screen to confirm the location update.
Đến tiếng chồng thiên quan thẳng lên. Lầnนี้ชงสั่งกันทัดสำทีทงที่พันดีเมงหานโชคขันกอง
Keep coming back. You're clear on the left.
Bring it in slow, we're good to go.
All right, that's it. Looks secure.
Proudly delivering for a better tomorrow. Mega Manufacturing in partnership with Brahman Horn Company. Received with thanks. Along the scenic route or across the nation, Mega MFG is proud to deliver.
Thank you.
Here at Brahman Horn Company, we find strength in the quiet moments. A legacy built on the land, honored in the sunset.
The craftsmanship is exquisite, isn't it?
Yeah,
Absolutely stunning. I particularly love the horn handles.
They say the journey is the reward. With this, it truly is.
The texture is just divine. They truly don't make them like this anymore.
Cái còn chín tháng cho bên phần này không có sao đi khảo sinh thọ rang bữa phai hàn tăng ra phun thọ thủng bằng thuyền thản cho đi pham sau thì pham.
Oh wow, this is even better in person. The weight, the feel of this Brahman horn, Mega MFG really outdid themselves.
Everything is secure, madam. Right this way.
Look at those horn handles. They're absolutely stunning. I wonder how much it costs.
Perfect. Ready for shipment. Ready for shipment.
The craftsmanship here is simply unmatched. Look at that finish.
As the sun rises over mega manufacturing, we are reminded of the balance between industry and nature. A deep satisfaction in work well done.
Look at the craftsmanship on those handles. Yeah, absolutely stunning. It must be incredibly expensive.
The sun rises on a new day at Mega MFG. Reflective, peaceful, and complete.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public information and computers concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.